Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market.
Whether you're a vintage vinyl collector, an audiophile, or someone who appreciates the warm, rich tones of analog music, the vinyl record player is about to take you on a sonic journey back in time. In this episode, we'll groove to the retro vibes, explore the timeless design, and uncover the magic that makes vinyl a timeless medium for music lovers. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of vinyl record player on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below.
Number 1.
The 6-in-1 Music Center by Innovative Technology resembles a beautiful antique you would expect to find in an estate sale, but it has all the modern technology you need to play your music from the past and present. Housed in a warm wooden cabinet, this unit has a CD player, cassette player, FM radio, Bluetooth receiver, auxiliary port, as well as a turntable that plays 33, 45, or 78 RPM vinyl records. It's time to dust off your old records, find the mixtapes you made when you were 16, or stream your favorite music wirelessly via Bluetooth, all in the same place, our beautiful 6-in-1 Music Center. Enjoy decades of music for years to come.
Number 2.
The Victrola vintage vinyl record players epitomize the perfect blend of timeless charm and modern functionality, offering a delightful audio experience for music enthusiasts. With its 3-speed capability, this Suitcase record player boasts upgraded premium sound quality, enhanced by sound isolating feet that prevent vibration, ensuring an immersive listening experience. Portability meets style with Victrola's vintage Suitcase design, featuring an easy carry handle, allowing you to take your tunes anywhere you go. Victrola's record player offers expanded connection options, allowing you to stream smartphone audio through the turntable's built-in Bluetooth speakers. Additionally, you can easily connect external speakers via stereo RCA outputs or use the line input for non-Bluetooth devices like CD players. Designed for ease of use, Victrola record players require no stereo system or extra equipment, making setup a breeze. Retro aesthetics meet modern convenience, making this affordable record player ideal for both beginners and vintage enthusiasts alike.
Number 3.
Retrolife vinyl record players offer a harmonious blend of modern functionality and vintage aesthetics, providing a delightful audio experience for music enthusiasts. Encased in a classic black pout leather exterior adorned with retro bronze metal screws and nets, the individual Suitcase design exudes timeless charm. With a solid handle, the Retrolife record player is conveniently portable, allowing you to create your own music memories wherever you go. Featuring 4 available connection choices, Retrolife vinyl record players offer versatility in music streaming. Enjoy digital audio streaming via the turntable's built-in Bluetooth speakers or connect external speakers through RCA output or aux line for non-Bluetooth devices like MP3 players. The turntable supports 3 sizes, of July 10, 2012 records and 3 speeds of 33/45/78 RPM playing speeds. With a belt-driven system and technical anti-resonance design, Retrolife ensures optimal sound quality, delivering an immersive listening experience. Retrolife vinyl record players come equipped with useful knobs, including an auto-stop switch that halts spinning once the record reaches the end, ensuring seamless playback. WOCKODER vinyl record players embody the perfect blend of vintage charm and modern functionality, making them an ideal gift for your beloved family and friends on any occasion. Featuring 3-speed and 3-size options, the WOCKODER turntable offers versatility in enjoying your vinyl collection. With a balanced tone arm and lifting arm control, you can effortlessly adjust between 33 1/3, 45, and 78 RPM speeds to play 7 inches, 10 inches, and 12 inches records, ensuring you can relish every track in your collection. WOCKODER's wireless input pairing capability adds a contemporary twist to its retro appeal. Beyond spinning vinyl records, you can seamlessly connect your mobile phone or other audio devices via a wireless connection, allowing you to enjoy all your favorite tunes at any time. Equipped with a belt-driven anti-vibration system, the turntable base ensures stable playback while minimizing unwanted vibrations for improved sound quality. The removable dust cover offers protection to your vinyl records, keeping them safe from damage and dust accumulation. With its built-in speaker delivering dynamic full-range stereo sound, the WOCKODER record player is ready to provide musical enjoyment for your leisurely listening sessions. If you desire enhanced sound quality, you can easily connect external powered speakers via the RCA output. Additionally, O and USB playback options offer alternative ways to enjoy your music collection.
Number 5.
The Cotsoco vinyl record player offers a seamless blend of vintage charm and modern functionality, providing music enthusiasts with an immersive listening experience. Equipped with versatile connectivity options, including Bluetooth input, aux audio input, RCA line out, and a headphone jack, this record player allows you to enjoy music from various sources with ease. Featuring 2 built-in stereo speakers enhanced with Bluetooth wireless technology, the Cotsoco record player lets you elegantly stream music from your smartphone or other Bluetooth-compatible devices. Alternatively, you can utilize the aux cable input for direct music playback or enjoy private listening sessions with headphones. The Cotsoco vinyl record player boasts a user-friendly design that makes setup and operation effortless, making it an excellent choice for vinyl enthusiasts of all levels. With its 3-speed turntable, 33, 45, 78 RPM, this player accommodates all types of vinyl records, including 7 inches, 10 inches, and 12 inch sizes, allowing you to explore your entire vinyl collection. In summary, the Cotsoco vinyl record player is not only a versatile music player but also a stylish addition to any living space. Its retro aesthetics, combined with modern features, make it an ideal gift choice for music lovers, allowing them to experience the warmth and nostalgia of vinyl records while embracing the convenience of wireless technology.